Okay. 3-in-1 package. Pansin natin yan. Ganito pala menu. Eh, yo. San? Easy pot. Oh, dito tayo mag-off. Okay. Ay. Eh. Dali. Ba't ba kasi nauuntog ang ulo ko doon? Okay, so dito na lang ako. Dito. Ay! Mali. Ay! Parang balik. Yun na sana. Ay! Okay, so dito na naman tayo. Okay. Okay, dito. Okay, no need for that. Hindi ko na gagawin yung mistakes na naggawa ko nung then dito, then jump. Orb, nice. Double puzzle. Anong nandito? Jump. Why would they build a church in the snow? None of the gravestones here have names engraved on it, and many crosses are placed in a place you cannot reach, with booby traps inside, as if the church was designed like Pharaoh's pyramid, executing whoever enters this place. If not for the heavy snow that damages up here, we might not be able to leave this place. Okay. Ito na naman. Pamahulog. What the heck? Babalik ko ba yun? Oo, babalik. Okay. Ay. Ay. Ano ba nandito? Hindi ko pa ata yan marireach. Try natin i-reach. Well. Hey. Fuck. Tara, dito tayo. Hey. Hop. Bam. Ha. Hey. Ha. Lock in. Wow. Ano ba yan? Ano ba to? I need that kasi. Nice. Ha! Yan na sana. Nice. Okay. Then dito. Wait. So no. Oh, tama ba yun? I don't care na. And then hui! Nice. Hui! Hey. Hey. And then jump. Nice. Then dito naman just paano ba to? Okay. Diyan yan. Oy. Ganun. Shit, ngayon ko lang na-realize eh. Nice. Okay, now what? Ayun. Ayun. Eh. Yun orb. Nice. Monster's lair. Watch out for the monster ahead. The cross I worked hard on was matched by that bastard. I spent the whole month rebuilding a new one. If someone can drive away this bastard, I'll make him a cross for his grave for free. Well, only if he dies before me. Stop the story, my work. Okay. Monster. My monster. Yo, what is that? What is that? Kidding. You're just in time. There's a broken bridge ahead. Seems usable though. But when I was on that bridge, I saw a smaller one underneath it. Although it looks a little shabby, at least it's in one place. It's located at the bottom of the island. I spent some time looking for the entrance to the bridge. I think I can find it pretty soon. Why am I so the goddamn weird? So, pinasa ko lang yun, hindi ko na understand. Yo. Yeet them. Okay. Run. What is that? Oh! Ano ba yun? Uy, hap. Muntik na. Muntika na. What? So, kailangan bang i-joke natin yan? So, bam! Oh. Hey. And then, sun. Then I'd run. Bam! Balik ba? Balik ata eh. Yo! Hey! No! Hey! Ano bang in-unlock? Dito nga tayo. Ayun! Yun pala. So, boom. Hey. Okay. And then, boop, bop, skrambarap. Okay. Then, dito naman tayo. Okay, and then run. Nice one. Ay, hindi ko nakuha. The gate. Ang gate ng ano? Wait, boss battle ba to? Ang boss battle nga. Yo! No, hell no. Bahala kayo dyan. Patay tayo. Oh my god! Patay tayo dito. Boss battle, men! Oh my god! Ayo. No. Don't. Wag ako. Oh hell no. Hell no. Shit. Bakalan kayo yan. No. Run. Fuck. Dali. Ay, patay kayo dyan. Nahulog. Okay, downwards. Ayo. Meron din pala dun. Holy shit. Ay. You can't kill me. Bahala kayo dyan. I need it. Kailangan ko. And then proceed. No. Stop. Okay, let's go. Ay, again. Suppose na pa tayo doon. No. Then dito na rin. Every time, dude. Okay. So ano ba? Dito na rin. Okay, so hey. Oh my god. No! Hintayin natin yan din. Fudge. Fuck man. Then here. Then dito. Oops. Hindi yun. Gulat kayo no. Dalian mo please. Eat. Tara. Oh yes! Hooray! Oh, where did you draw out This monster. You finally out Kitten. Hey Kitten, you know him. Hi, I'm Jellyhead. I'm Mira. Are you Kitty's friend? I didn't see you on the way here. Because I was helping others. Actually, I've been staying in this church all these years, warning passing adventurers to watch out for danger. I see. Thank you for your help. Let's keep moving forward, Kitty. Actually, this church isn't dangerous at all. Therefore, I'm going to the place you guys are heading. This way, I will be able to help more people. That's great. Let's head out, Kitty. Wait, what's wrong? Why? Oh no, no, no. What ganyan? Why am I so goddamn wait? What? Ba't na-stop? Ba't na-stop ang music? Ba't na-stop ang music? Wag naman. Wag naman ganyan. Wag. May hinala na ako eh. Wag naman ganyan. At sa pala. Yes. One. Let's go. Unlock door. Wait. Ano ba to? Wait. So, what? Wait, may bagong character. Oh, this door finally opened. Hello, hope you didn't get caught in the ring, Mr. or Mrs. Cat. Sorry, I couldn't tell the difference between a male and a female cat. You look so busy. A tough day at work, huh? Last month, I invited my crush to a date in the snowland. But I've been late for a month now because on this damn locked room. I found the miner. He said the key to this door is gone. When someone's opened it from the other side, there is no other way to open it. Thank God it is finally open. Now, we need to hurry over to the snowland. Bye, Kitty. Ano ba to? Uy! Yo! No, I'll skip. Boom! Angas. Minecraft. Oh. No. Wait. Then, ano yan? Huwag naman ganyan. So, ang feeling na hindi yan friendly. So, okay. Expanded na siya. No. Hindi na yung nakakuha. Hindi na yata yan nakakuha eh. So, okay na. Boom. Red flag. Remember red flag. Ano yan? Ba't na ganyan? Kitten, where are you heading? Are you lost? There's all these scrubs and deadly creatures ahead. So hurry and turn around. Head to the other way. Huh? Uy! Ba't naman ganyan? Ano ba ito? Ito. Ano ba ito nakukuha ha? Okay, I just noticed something. You see the flies up there? You have struck something and pop it out again, just like a minion head. But I don't think it's dangerous. You don't have to be afraid of it. Why not it doesn't work? I don't think not. Nope. Hindi. Paano ba to? Paano ba to? Still the man, she's my alibi. How ba to? How? With them. Wait. 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 Sige, papatay muna tayo. May idea ako. Oh, not again. Shit. Sorry. Second try. Second time's the charm. Oh. Hey, no. Not again. With. Yes. Got it. A. Got it. Smooth flowers. A. A. Oh. No. Saan ba tayo dito? Lang. Balik. Bam. 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 Wait a minute. Bam. Then. No. Yun. We need. I can pick it up. This forest is covered in red plants everywhere. Do not let their bright colors fool you. They're extremely dangerous. Okay. What the fuck is that? Ano yun? Okay. Bam. Bam bam. No. Bam bam. Okay, so, and then, ganyan. Lang. Ba't may ganito dyan? Paano ba natin yung makukuha? Yay! Oh. Oh shit. No. Yes. Patay naman. Okay, so dapat lock in na tayo na yun. Okay. No. Ah! Dalos. Bawal yan. Okay. Boom. Uy. So. Boom. 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 Okay. And then. Ah! Na, hindi natin kayang kapunin. Ah. Batlock. Answer may batlock. Tayo din. Bam. Bam. Kulang pa. There we go. And then bam. I think we need it. Okay. So then ganyan. And then goods na ba yun? Hopefully. Then what? Your feline animals do have physical strength. You guys can jump up to a very high place so easily, but I only left the wall because I want to come next to you. Oh, you know what else I found? I risked my life to discover the secret. I noticed that turtles here are really friendly. They let you stand on their back and carry to danger while Mexico didn't wait. So, talis mo si Nora or pinatay mo si Nora? Bahala ka na dyan. Ayaw na kita. Okay, and then, boop. Speed from bottom. Or bam. Why am I so bad? rock. Hey, it's you again? You're not looking for the treasure, are you? If it's true, let me tell you a story. This area used to be a forest without dead plants. It's the perks of the adventurers that fertilize the swamps. More and more dead bodies fill them. The perfect mission was enough. As a result, the forest is now covered in red plants. Things could be different if only they would settle for life, secure life. But the pressure led them to modern workplace. Those idiots want to suicide. I would not stop them. But their death only made this place more dangerous. Okay, so boop. Oh my god. Ay, padalos-dalos. Okay, no need na. Bam. Bam. No. No! Oh my god. Dude! Why am I so goddamn great, you know? Ano ba yan? The fuck is wrong with... Uy! Uy! Hey! 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 Ba? Ano bang nandiyan? Okay? Hey! No! Mali! Hindi ko napindot. Eh, hindi ko rin napindot. AK! 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 Yes. Yo. Hey! No. That's not what I need. Hindi yan ko. Kailangan ko. Okay. Then, yo, we. Tint. Ay, hindi pala abot. Aha. So, ganun. Hindi pala abot. Then, there. What is itulak natin to? Diyan. Then, we can go there. Patay naman tayo. So, alam ko na. 8. What's wrong with me? What is? Dito tayo. Bam. And then, jump tayo dito. And then, dito. Uy. Ay! Yan, nasala. What the heck? Okay, so... Okay. Then, stand here tayo. Dito. And then, there we go. I'm not mad. Ba't ba ako mamamad? Ba't ba ako magagalit? Okay. Hindi pa yan. Wait. Fuck. So, dapat furthest ako. I am using 100% of my brain right now at natatalo pa rin ako. Okay. Then dito. Then final. God mode. Hindi pa God mode, okay. Ba't ba kasi ganyan? Okay, no. Download na nga. Download. Yan. Then dito tayo. Then dito. Ik! Then hallelujah! Jesus Christ. Okay. Ganon. No. Okay. Then dito. Don't tell me. Yes! Meron pa. Why? Bakit? Kaso, need ba natin yan? So, dito tayo, then dito na again, then dito na again, then dito na again, then dito na again, and then dito na again. Why am I so goddamn great? Okay, paano ba natin yan nakukuha? So, need natin hit. Hindi yata natin na makukuha eh. Hindi yata natin na makukuha. Ayun. Yay! What the? Oh my god, ano yan? Naa. Ay. Wait, so, need ba natin? Ano ba ito? So, wait. So, then, no, dito. Then, nope, you cannot. Then, ganito ba? So, dito tayo. Then, yan. Dito tayo. Dito, wait, no. Dito. Yeah. Dito tayo. Then, push natin to. Okay. Then, dito tayo. Oh, no. No. Okay. Dito din tayo. Then, what do I do? No! Last level. Last level na lang to. Okay. Oh, ganun pala dun. Yo. Okay, and then yep. No.